What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we are doing another open cut pour with my little cookie cutters that I got from Amazon. Today's color palette, we got silvers, we got aquas, we got purples, orange even, right? So we got a whole bunch of cool colors. Let me set these somewhere where you can see them. So, then we're gonna throw that orange in there. It's gonna be freaking crazy. I always love doing open cuts, they're so much fun. So first, I have some white for a base coat. I'm just gonna put a little puddle here in the middle. And we're gonna just get into this. Just getting into it. So I'm gonna start with this silver, because I really like when the other colors churn through metallics, they also take on kind of a metallic sheen to them as well. So then we got this dark navy. I'm kind of gonna gradient it to lighter colors as we go. Already dripped. Look at us go. Here we go, guys. It wouldn't be one of my pours if I didn't spill something, eh? Alright. We're just gonna release some of that. And torch it. And get some of that silicone to start working its magic. Oh, there it goes. It's coming, guys. It's starting. And we'll do little splashes of an orange. And then we have a little bit of a barrier color here with this white, because I don't want that orange to turn into some nasty muddy mess. And then we're just gonna do what we feel. I feel like a violet. A little more silver on there. We filled that cup pretty tall. And we're gonna release those colors back into the wild, my friend. So I hope everybody's doing wonderful today. I'm having a great day. As you can see, with the mess, it's always a good day when I'm making a mess. But yeah, it's a great day over here, you guys. And I wish nothing but the best for you all. You're always being so kind and supportive in the comments. And I even appreciate like the negative, I wouldn't say negative comments, because they're not really negative. It's more like a constructive criticism, because I'm learning too, guys. So I don't take it personally. I appreciate the feedback in any way that it comes, as long as it's constructive. I mean, there ain't no reason to be rude. But I've had very few people be rude though. So where are y'all at in the world? I'm curious. I know my analytics say most of my audience is in the US, but I know that there's a lot of people that are outside the US too. So just let me know in the comments below, what section of the world do you hail from? I'm curious. All right, after this, then I'm gonna move this. Because as level as I feel like my table is, apparently it's not. Alright, so let's torch it and get some of this magic to happen, y'all. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That right there is gorgeous. Alright, a couple more colors, y'all. Put that in there. I think I want to put a little bit more white, because that white is actually making a pretty cool little lacing effect, kind of, which is different. I wasn't expecting that. I do like having the white there underneath some of these other colors that are more semi-transparent, because it tends to lighten them up. Alright. And that's all the paint we're going to use for you. Alright, my friend? Y'all talk to your canvases too, come on. I can't be the only one. Alright, so before we spin it, I know I want to open up any cells that I can first. That way they have a chance to get bigger. And it's also going to have the effect of thinning the layers even further. So those big cells are going to open up. And then when I hit it with the torch again, even more micro cells are going to open up within it. So let me move my colors out of the way. I'm loving the way this looks. It's very aquatic and ocean-like right in that center area. And let's give our paint something to move on, eh? I'm strange, but it's okay. Alright, so I think we're ready. Let's see what we get out of this thing, huh? Gentle spins. I'm not trying to spin it like crazy, because I know I had a spot of white right there, and I kind of want to. That is phenomenal. Already, I love it the way it is, and I already know that in each of these larger cells with the torch, there's going to be a ton more like micro cells. So let me clean up my hand a bit. Such a messy process, eh? Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, there they are. Look at those little tiny cells. Gorgeous. Gosh. Look at that. It's very, very 3D. I love it. And that silver, it just incorporated with like all the colors. That thing is insane. I'm bringing you guys down. You guys got to see this. You guys. I mean, check this thing out, y'all. Look at those tiny little cells in the center. And now see, with the light, you can actually see the metallic of that silver. Gives a real 3D-like effect to it. This thing's... I love this thing. This is crazy looking.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.